Hello friends of creative gardening! Looking for a plant that's compact, colorful and completely unstoppable? Please let me introduce you to a true gem of gardening, Macedonia Gold Nugget. Gold Nugget may be small, but it packs a punch. Macedonia is generally creeping ground cover with small yellow flowers that cover the plant throughout the whole season. Gold Nugget is an elegant, bushy, slightly upright variety with especially large golden flowers and fresh green leaves. It creates a carpet of color that glows from a distance and shines up close. If you plant it in a pot or basket, Gold Nugget will trail beautifully. It looks fantastic in the sun. It is truly a wonderful addition to any sunny garden. But don't plant it in the shade, as it would only stay green. But when it has a sunny place, it just keeps blooming from spring until late autumn. Gold Nugget is a particularly early and low-maintenance plant with exceptional heat and drought tolerance. You may use it for flower beds, for rocky gardens, baskets, and to brighten up mixed arrangements in pots and bowls. Now this is why gardeners love Gold Nugget. First, it is a bright and cheerful ground cover that makes dense yellow cushions, perfect for landscaping, to provide an edging or border planting with some real eye-catching color. Then it is a great plant, of course, to use in architectural pots, succulent bowls and mixed planters. And it loves the heat, so it is perfect for Mediterranean-style gardens. And last but not least, Gold Nugget is self-cleaning. No deadheading is necessary. If you want to make your compost pop, then pair it with purples, reds, pinks or blues. Gold Nugget adds a wonderful sunny contrast that brings the whole arrangement to life. Have you ever planted Macedonia? Let us know in the comments how you would plant or combine Gold Nugget. Any creative idea? Please like, follow and subscribe for more Proven Winners gardening tips and tricks. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye. See you soon.